Alright, today we're going to work with linear functions. Before we can do that, what's linear mean? Think about what word's in it. A line. It's going to make a straight line. Alright, so we're going to take what we were doing Monday and Tuesday, add one extra step to it in the chart, and then you're going to graph it. Okay? So when you make these, they should all form a straight line. If they do not make a straight line, then you did something wrong, and go back and check.
What do you mean by straight line?
You'll see. So let's look at y equals x plus 2. So our chart that we're going to make is similar to what you were doing. So you'll have your x column. You'll have your y equals x plus 2. And instead of f of x, we're now going to use a y. And then we're going to add a fourth column, and that's going to be our xy. So you're still going to use your x values of -2, -1, 0, 1. Okay, so the only things that have changed so far is f of x changed to a y now, and we added an xy column. Okay? Now we're going to solve, so I'm going to take -2 plus 2 gives me 0. Now this xy, I'm taking the number from the x, the number from the y column, and making them an ordered pair. So it would be -2, 0. That way when I graph, I already have my ordered pair for it. Alright, so substituting in -1 plus 2
1
gives me a +1, so my ordered pair is
-1, 1.
-1, 1. Serenity, are you writing this down? 0 plus 2 gives me 2, so my ordered pair
0, 2.
0, 2. And the last one, I have 1 plus 2 gives me 3, my ordered pair
1, 3.
1, 3. Does everyone see how we got that?
Yeah.
What don't you see? Same thing we were doing Monday. Just substituting this number in for your x,
Wait, what's today?
solving for your y. We added an xy column.
I don't get the order paper.
We're just taking the number from here and the number from here and putting them together. So that way we can graph it. Okay, so now we got to do our graph. So we got to go up to 3. So my first order pair is -2, 0. So -2, which direction am I going? Left. So left 2, and then I'm not going anywhere. I'm staying right there. -1, 1. Starting at the middle, I go left 1, up 1. 0, 2, I'm not going anywhere besides up 2. And the last one, 1, 3, I go right 1, up to 3. So notice when I form these this here, it's formed a line. Okay? So that's what we're talking about, the linear functions. If you would have gotten a point down here, you did something wrong. These are the easiest ones to check yourself. Okay, because if you made a mistake, it's not going to be a line. So I should not see any papers that have non-straight lines. If there's non-straight lines, then you need to go back and fix it. Okay? Let's try another one. Let's try y equals x minus 5. So still have our x values of -2, -1, 0, and 1. Let's see. Now we have y equals x minus 5. We have our y column, and we have xy. Let's see. Questions so far before we move on? On your assignment, you will have to form this chart. They will not give you the chart, so make sure you know how to set it up. Okay, so the first one, I've got negative 2 minus 5. Keep, flip, change. So I now have a negative 2 plus a negative 5, which gives me... You allergic to somebody there, or what? You moved seats today and you're sneezing. Are you allergic to somebody?
And you guys got cats?
Okay, so my xy value is what?
2, negative 7.
Negative 2, negative 7. Negative 1 minus 5. Keep, flip, change. Negative 1 plus negative 5 gives me
6.
negative 6. So it's negative 1, negative 6. 0 minus 5. If I want, I can do keep, flip, change, but I can also see I'm starting with 0 and I'm going down 5. So it would give me a negative 5. So 0, negative 5. And the next one, 1 minus 5. If I want to keep, flip, change, I can. Keep, flip, change. Different signs, subtract. This would be a negative 4. So I have 1, negative 4. Okay, so when you graph, this time we got to go up to a negative 7. Okay, so my first order pair is negative 2, negative 7. So I'm going left 2, and then down to 7. On your assignment today, you will have the graph provided, so it will be easier for you to graph it. Negative 1, negative 6, go left 1, down to negative 6. 0, negative 5, just stay and go straight down on negative 5. 1, negative 4, so I have my straight line.
Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Any questions so far? A lot of times I see people will have the order pairs right, but graph it wrong. So you gotta be really careful on your graphing too. Make sure you're graphing the correct way.
I had a